A spoonful of sugar may be a great way to attract ants, but it also can be their downfall. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and I'll share a secret formula that uses a favorite ant snack to get rid of them for good right after this.
Regardless of your skill level in home repair or woodworking, you want a glue that you can trust, because a glue that doesn't work can ruin any project in a hurry. Fortunately, Titebond has the glue you need to get the job done with confidence. From interior glues with strong initial tack and short clamp times, to exterior glues with exceptional strength and water resistance, look to Titebond for the right glue for your next project. For more information, visit Titebond.com or see them on Facebook.
As warmer weather approaches, you may see signs of ants invading your home, searching for some sweet treats. Often it seems like no matter how many times you spray insecticide, the ants are back within days. Now, it's no real secret that ants are attracted to sugar. Here's a secret ingredient to add to some sugar that will eliminate those pesky invaders. Go to the store and in the laundry aisle, pick up a box of borax. Mix 1 part borax to 3 parts powdered sugar and leave in shallow pans where you see ant trails. Resist the urge to kill the ants because they will swarm to the bait, unable to distinguish the sugar from the borax. They'll take the bait back to the colony to share, and soon those ants will be no more. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.